This comeback is just filled with a lot of like love and passion and talent and creativity, and I can't wait for the world to see that.
Paano yung counting nung gano'n? Yun.
Kanina nakikita ko si Marie nagsa-struggle siya, but the way she carry herself, pasabog talaga si ma'am. That's all I can say.
Yung delivery. Okay, so today we are here at Kerplunk Studios. We are with amazing talents in the room, and today we're gonna be writing and recording my comeback single, Walang Kaba. That's the working title right now. Walang Kaba! Ha 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 ha! Te, walang kaba! Ha ha! Walang kaba! Ha 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 ha! Te, walang kaba! Ha ha! Walang kaba! Ha 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 ha! Te, walang kaba! Ha ha! Kung gagawin natin tong singing, baka may tendency na maging tunog kalas. Ako, anything ako. What do you think would work kaya?
I think magandang pasok na yung walang kaba, tas diretso ng rap. I think yun yung madalas na formula, yung energy.
Okay.
Like parang biglang sing effect para maangas agad.
Try natin maging shoot. Like yung verse 1. Kasi so ma-bars siya. So try to make it seems like it's not more like mas babae. Mas ganon. About the feeling.
Scrap ko to. Kailangan nga pala mas...
Wala ka bang ibubuga, ha? Pilili pa tumba kung bubog ka na. Okay ka ba, ha? Papunta ka pa lang ako'y pabalik na sa mga Latina.
Oh my gosh.
Sa amalala pasabog dinamita, bitch na matamis pa. Gusto mo sumakses, halika.
I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. This is nice. This is nice.
Gusto ko yung wala ka ba pag maganda, pag masarap manipis ang dala. Ang ganda nun.
Give ko sa'yo. Subo mo to.
Subo mo to. Give ko sa'yo, subo mo to. Para mapasarana yung mga. Para sumarana yung bibig mo. Maganda yun. Para sumarana yung bibig mo.
Yeah, like change flow. Sorry guys.
Oo. Instead na uulit pa yung first two chorus.
Option?
Your load.
Oh, okay.
Your load. It's your load. Don't
Kuya
worry.
Pwede na tago!
Sobrang kaba!
Sobrang kaba.
Oh my God! Munti ka pa naman.
Nakita ko yun.
Go Marina!
Let's go. Itabi nyo. Ako na to. Nasang lupalap man ako ng mundo. Gigil ako. Dun sa likod. Tipo ng tirado siguradong mismo. Kung pumilantik, lintik, nag-iinit. Siguradong hindi pin. Kumalaban talsik cause you know a bad bitch ain't afraid to be scandalous.
Okay na! Okay na!
Okay na to.
Okay na!
Sumasobra ng kasikipan. Landian ko pa yung kasikipan, no? Sumasobra ng kasikipan. Okay. Oh my God. Sobrang luto na ba?
Nasa samgyup ka. Okay na to.
Ito, subo mo to. Para premonition pala. Walang bitches ang babangga. Walang kaba. Tip ko sa'yo, subo mo to. Para sumarana yung bibig mo.
Ang ganda.
Congrats, Maria! And no one's doing sounds like this in the Philippines right now.
Yay! Happiness! Sobrang sikip.
Congrats, Marina!
Congrats everyone! What a productive night. Thank you.
Congrats.
Nailaban natin yung one. Thank you so much.
I'm so...
Combination yung lahat.
Hindi lang nagalaw ang baso, napuno ang baso. Thank you so much.
Galing lahat. Ang galing yung lahat.
Choreo pa, te. Naku.
Gagawin nila yan habang wala ako.
Hello, so I am currently in Manila Pen right now for my fitting before I go to rehearsals. The shoes! Chill! Siguro ano yung shorts or something. Grabe, pinahirapan ako ng Fem Manila. Hello, ang ating champions. Ang golden buzzer ng Filipinas Got Bakla. Hang in there. Okay, first of all, thank you for for taking interest in this but ambitious project. Medyo matagal-tagal since the last time I did a single, parang Drag Race UK pa ata yun, hindi na siya nasundan. Etong kanta na to, like ano lang siya, talagang baklaan, malala. Yon, parang gusto namin mag-break into the mainstream of it all for this song. Kasi medyo maganda naman yung traction ng Ama Philippine and we wanna follow up on that as well. So, yun yung story behind Walang Kaba, parang wala, like, hindi kami takot. Mga bakla hindi takot. Or like, ano mo yun, full-on performance choreography na may konting B-roll siya. Kasi medyo, yun naman talaga yung edge namin for doing this. Talagang malalang performance na gagayahin ng mga tao yung dance. Talagang the next dance craze talaga siya. Ayun. Exciting! I'm so excited! Ayan, nagba-vlog ako ngayon. Mag-hi kayong lahat. O, diba? Nag-work na agad ako. Meeting pa lang. Tapos, chorus. May shot din to ng dance break. Hanggang dulo na yan. Kumbaga ito.
Both?
Oo.
Okay.
Yun lang naman siya.
Pagurag pala yung all
Oo. Pero ang ano lang dito is may platform tayo. So, i-revise natin yung blockings for this look lang. Tapos later, pag nag-look 1 tayo, ibabalik lang natin yung Mega Crew Keme. Yun.
So, isusuot natin ito ulit later pag wala na yung...
Baka hindi na.
Or yung white na.
Baka yung white na lang doon sa walang platform para magkaiba talaga.
Guys, warm up tayo sa labas.
Let's go! Ganda! Ganda! Na-excite ako! Bago ako magbuhok, kailangan ko mag-warm up na actually. Hi everyone! We are here on set for Walang Kaba music video shoot here at Backyard Warehouse, and we are with Fem Manila and Team Toothless. It's gonna be a long day, but we're gonna power through. We are gonna shoot the second look first kasi may platform, so let's get it on. Nakalimutan ko na yung choreography. Beauty contest!
Hello po.
Good mo sila po.
Wait lang, awkward.
Hello po.
We are the
Fam.
Be fierce.
Be Free, Be You. And we are with the Marina fucking Summers.
Saan bang gagawin natin today?
Ano bang gagawin natin today?
Doon tayo nakaganto.
Akala ko magmamajong ta. Ay,
Makikipagdigmaan po kami sa Encantadia.
So ngayon, super excited na po kami
Nakikita niyo po ngayon,
bardagulan with
Sangre.
the Marina Summers. So,
Sangre Pink.
kaya humanda kayo sa MV niya. Naku.
kumbaga ba, walang kaba.
So ano lang, quick introduction kasi magkasama tayo whole day para alam natin kung ano yung roles ng isa't isa. So ako si Jonats, I'll be assisting the Marina Summers to execute yung music video na to. So introduce ko lang yung team ng Toothless. Si Nick, siya yung prod design natin. Si Glenn, camera department. Si Malen, camera department. Si Chick, siya yung ating assistant director. Si Jella, production manager. Si Jed, siya yung gaffer natin. I mean, si Cholo from Sony. Ayan, tas introduce.
Yes. Ako naman from Camp Summers, Marina. The head bitch in charge. We have Carlo and Ace, aking mga executive assistants. And then, introduce mo ang ating team, Carlo.
Banjo, Harold, Daniel from Summers Production.
Tiny, Makeup, Margot from here. Nico, BTS, videographer. Si Rory ang ating business photographer slash videographer slash voice-over. May voice-over din siya. And Fem, MNL.
Singer po kami.
Singer po natin today.
Yes,
So
exactly.
I'm really excited
Choir.
kasi I'm really excited to work with Toothless. And thank you for saying yes. Thank you sa pagsalba sa amin. No, we're really excited and we're gonna give you a great material to work with.
Tapos yun, adding to that lang, today, yun nga, na-mention niya kanina, unahin natin yung lahat ng may platforms kasi once tanggalin siya, medyo magka-crumble na siya. So, ayun, opening the floor lang to collaboration. Kung may mga gusto kayong paggawa, as in, huwag kayong mahiya, sabihin nyo na kasi we only have today, di na tayo makapag-reshoot and also, lahat ng request nyo, accommodate naman natin siya, basta kaya ng powers.
Wag lang wag lang harness Miss Cha. Makapag-harnessin mo ako bigla.
Wala ka bang ibubugaha? Pili di ba tumba kung bubuga na? May ka ba? Papunta ka lang ako ako'y pabalita. Sobrang lagi na, baby. Basta ang malala, kasabang dinamita. Basta na matamis pa.
2 sequence done.
Yes.
Medyo marami-rami pa.
Pam, 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 tag, tagatag, and tag, tagatag, and tag, 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 and tag, pam, 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 1, 2, and tag, 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 and tag.
Hi, ako si Jonats. I'll be directing the new music video of Marina Summers, yung Walang Kaba. Actually, first time namin mag-work ni Marina Summers and parang na-contact lang kami mga 2 to 3 days ago. Tapos, syempre initially, medyo, wait, kaya ba namin? Kasi medyo tight yung schedule. Tapos, nung nag-set ako ng meeting with Marina, actually, mas na-excite ako kasi very collaborative siya. Tapos, parang alam niya din talaga kung ano gusto niya gawin. Parang need niya lang talaga ng extra hand to execute itong bagong MV. So parang so far yung experience ko working with Marina Summers is very smooth and yun, collaborative.
Itabi niyo, ako na to.
Mas malaki!
Lintik ng iinit ang sigurado.
Mas malaki!
Kumalaman kasi kasi na bad bitch.
I'm one of the choreographers of Walang Kaba. Pinagtulong-tulungan po siya ng mga ng Fem Manila, si Kevin Rai, si Renz Bercasio, si Kenshin Tabion, si Joel Zapanta, and me. Siguro ako lang yung mas nag-focus sa parang kung paano siya mabubuo and kung paano kakalabasan and kung ano ba yung inspiration from start to finish. Actually, sobrang random ni Marina na sabi niya, gusto niya gumawa ng full dance video. Kasi ako rin po yung gumawa ng Ama Kabugera. More on po kasi siya more on kung paano niya ma-introduce yung pagiging feminine side niya. Tapos, ayun, sobrang challenging nitong music video kasi hindi ko alam kung kailangan ko bang mag-adjust sa strength ni Marina or kailangan kong sundin yung challenge niya sa akin na gawing dance video to. And accept nga niya. We assure you na talaga na yung kakalabasan ng Walang Kaba is different, sobrang kakaiba. Bagong Marina. Kumbaga maski ako as tawag dito as a friend and sa parang choreographer niya, hindi ko in-expect na kakayanin yung may mga choreographies. And imagine, inaral niya yun in 2 days.
Sino ba to? Ano ba to? Sino ba to? Okay na to.
Ayun, so working with Marina is very easy kasi tulad nga po ng sinabi ni Ate Cha, performer na rin siya and dancer na rin siya. So we share the same stage, we share the same path, and we share the same passion. Kaya naman, working with her is truly a thankful experience.
Yes.
Tsaka dun sa sinabi niya nga ni Ate Cha, yung music video, it's not a regular na music video. It's a dance music video.
Okay, so first layout is done. We have to change for the next layout. That was so much fun. A lot of dancing, a lot of hair. Pinagpawisan ako sa fur. But it was so much fun. Especially, pinaplayback yung mga videos. Grabe, ang ganda. Expensive. And then, we have one more layout. And then, that's it, baby. Right on track, baby. Yeah. Happy? Happiness? Okay, go. Let's go! Pusin na natin to. Ang bigat. May videographer sila. Ayan.
Ako magawa. Thank you.
Ganun yun! Hindi ka? Ano nga to?
My name is Tiny Deluxe and I am the makeup artist of Marina Summers for the Walang Kaba music video. Nauna na kasi yung yung cover art ng Walang Kaba. Yun yung may star and may basta it's so good. I designed that na ang goal in mind is para parang i-recreate siya ng mga tao. And thank you so much for sa lahat ng mga nag-recreate nun. And today, yes, kahit yung title ng song is Walang Kaba, grabe yung kaba ko kanina habang ginagawa yung mga looks because syempre this should be iconic. Like nobody's perfect but today should be perfect.
Itapin mo, ako na to. Nasang lumalapad ako ng mundo. Bigil ako, yung sarili ko. Di ko lang kailangan sigurado mismo. Kung pumilan, lintik lang iiling.
So I'm Emerson, also known as Margot. I style wigs for our Filipino winner, Marina, and our inspiration for today is wala baling-balitas lang, ganyan. More on piercings kasi yun na in-attach namin sa hair. So yeah, yun yung pinaka-eksena ng look namin. Tapos braided, medyo mabigat. Kanina nakikita ko si Marina nagsa-struggle siya, but the way she carry herself, pasabog talaga si ma'am. That's all I can say.
That's a wrap on Femme M&L. RPGP Grand Winner! Thank you!
Thank you! Thank you! Po! Salamat! Po! Hadouken! Walang Summers! Walang Kaba!
Happy Pride! On to our last sequence. Solo shots na lang, and then we're gonna do the call outs. And then that's it. We did that. And that's a wrap. Thank you, Toothless. We did it! Yay! O, post na natin to agad. Ha? Thank you po. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Hello. Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Sobrang thank you po talaga. Sobrang salamat po, Mama Pao. Sobrang salamat, mga kuya. Wow, it's officially a wrap. I had so much fun filming this. It's been a while since I last filmed a music video or even make music. So this comeback is just filled with a lot of love and passion and talent and creativity. And I can't wait for the world to see that. Especially, yung tulong-tulong na effort ng Camp Summers, ng Femme M&L, and especially Toothless and Backyard Warehouse for housing this, for making this possible. Kasi if wala sila, wala kaming studio, walang anything. So I'm so happy that I get to work with them, and hopefully this is not the last. I think this music video is gonna be a bomb. It's been a while since we saw a dance music video, and I'm so happy that I get to share the stage with Femme M&L. They're one of my closest
closest dancers in the community. I've been dancing with them for years now. Some of them I grew up with when I was starting, you know, sa pagsasayaw. And I'm also so proud of my Camp Summers for pulling this off in a short amount of time. And honestly, I'm so happy. I am excited to see all of this in the final product. And by the time this is uploaded, the music video is now up on my YouTube channel, so be sure to check that out. A massive thanks to Fem MNL, Camp Summers, and especially Toothless Production and Backyard Warehouse. This is Marina Summers. I'll see you on the next music video.
Walang kaba.